Hey, what's up guys? This is PDC channel and today I'm gonna show you na nakuha kong Hot Wheels. Yo! What's up? This is PTC channel. So, ayan, yan yung nakuha natin. Ayan, napili natin Hot Wheels. So, dalawa lang. So, una-una papakita ko isa't isa yung nakuha ko at nabili. So ang first car natin is this one. This one is the Hot Wheels tag dito, Wagon Familiades. Ayan, binili ko. Ito yung nabili ko. Isa yung pangalan niya. Volvo 240 Drift Wagon. O Boli de Derefage. O Boli de Derefage siya. Ayan pangalan niya. Ayan. Napakaangas. So guys, napakaganda oh. Legit. Sobrang ganda niya guys. So ayan, may pangalan pang Swedish sa may back ng car. And Volvo. Ang angas guys. So napakaganda yan. Hot Wheels logo. Michelin 240 sa may pintunas ng car. Ayan. Napakaganda oh. Ayan. Yan yung picture ng Volvo 240. Tas 3 out of 5 siya. At the back of the packaging, ayan, it's made from Mattel. Posted Uridia siya, Volvo, and Michelin. Basahin nyo. Post nyo, tas basahin nyo pala. Ayan. Wala lang yan. Michelin logo, Volvo. It's really nice. Napakaganda guys. So, Mattel empowering generation through play. Oh, hands. Napakaganda oh. Wala akong masabi dito sa car na to. At wala lang, napakaganda lang guys. The wheels are great. Are awesome. Good. Next car. So next car natin, okay. Patong natin siya dyan. Next. This car. Last car na. So ang last car natin is tong 1983 Chevy Silverado. It's color black, shiny black ata. Oh, pakaganda naman nito guys. Oh. Talagang Silverado. So, siya ay Hot Trucks 9 out of 10. And the 1986 name 1983 Chevy Silverado 3 Plus. Napakaganda guys. Grabe. Oh. Pero ang bigat niya na konti. Ayan. Sa likod, walang nakalagay. The top. Yan sa unahan, wala rin. And at the back, sa ilalim, wala rin. Yan, 1983 Chevy Silverado TM Hot Wheels 2021 Mattel. Ayan, it's made from Mattel. Ayan, Positive Generation Motors trademark official licensed product. Okay, it's made from Mattel empowering generations through play. Pakaganda nito guys, grabe oh. Wala akong masabi sa car na to. Talaga napaka-awesome. And ages 3 plus. And if there's a picture, yan ang picture ng 1983 Chevy Silverado logo of Hot Wheels. It's awesome guys. Wala akong masabi. Alright. Patungin natin. Ayan. So, dyan nagtatapos ang ating videos. Yung nakuha kong Hot Wheels. So, if you like this video guys, leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget the notification. Please like, subscribe right 181. See you guys next time. Bye.